Introduction. A microscope is a scientific instrument used to magnify small objects so that they can be seen clearly. The microscope is an important tool in many fields such as biosciences, medicine, industry, and scientific research. Categories. A microscope is a scientific instrument used to see and study small objects that cannot be seen with the naked eye. A microscope works by greatly magnifying a sample, allowing the user to see fine details and small structures. Ocular lens. Arm. Objective lenses. Mechanical stage. Fine adjustment. Illumination. Stage. Types of microscope. Optical microscope, also known as a light microscope, it uses visible light and lenses to magnify and observe samples. It is one of the most common types of microscopes and can be used for various applications in biology, medicine, and materials science. Electron microscope. These microscopes use a beam of electrons instead of light to magnify the sample. There are two main types of electron microscopes. A transmission electron microscope, TEM. B. Scanning electron microscope, SEM. Confocal microscope. This type of microscope uses a laser to scan the sample point by point and constructs a three-dimensional image by focusing on a single plane at a time. It is commonly used in biological research to obtain high-resolution images of cells and tissues. Fluorescence microscope. It uses fluorescence to visualize specific molecules or structures within a sample. The sample is stained with fluorescent dyes or labeled with fluorescent markers, and when illuminated with light of a specific wavelength, these molecules emit light of a different color, allowing their visualization. To work on a microscope, a little practice is required. Here are general steps on the microscope. 1. Preparation. Ensure that the microscope is in a suitable and stable place. Make sure you have adequate lighting around the microscope, as you need good light for fine details. Make sure the samples you want to explore are under the microscope. 2. Turn on the microscope. Plug the microscope into an appropriate power source and turn it on. Adjust the required magnification power by moving the eyepieces or controlling the numerical scale if the microscope is digital. 3. Sample mode. Open the stage or platform where you will place the sample. Carefully place the sample on the platform, making sure it is securely attached. 4. Focus. Look through the top lens, magnifying glass, and use the focus knob to focus gradually. Start by focusing with the coarse knob and slowly move towards the fine phase to get a clear image. 5. Image manipulation. You may have a zoom control wheel that allows you to zoom in and out of the image. You can adjust brightness and contrast to improve visibility and highlight fine details. It is recommended to follow some guidelines for the following daily maintenance. 1. Lens cleaning. Use a soft, clean cloth to clean the lenses on the device. Avoid using chemical solvents or abrasives, and be sure to gently remove any residue or dirt. 2. Lighting check. Ensure that the microscope's lighting system is working properly. Replace the lamp if it is weak or damaged, and make sure the cables are connected properly. 3. Check focus. Check focus setting to get a clear picture. Use an appropriate sample to focus on and check for correct and accurate focus. 4. Correct storage. Store the microscope in a dry and clean place away from dust and moisture. It is preferable to use a cover to protect the device from dust and scratches. 5. Maintaining balance. Ensure that all components and accessories are securely installed. 6. Correct use. Follow the instructions provided with the microscope and learn how to use it correctly.